Being a Galveston College student means the library is your library and it is here to help you do your very best as a student. Go to the Galveston College homepage at www.gc.edu. The David Glen Hunt Memorial Library can assist all students, whether you located on or off campus, by providing guidance to the resources available for you. The session covers the starting point for research, and gives an overview of the resources available to students. Next, scroll down. Located below the picture is a button labeled Resources. Click the Resources button. This is the library homepage. Next, scroll down. Below the picture find Library in blue text. Hover your pointer over the word Library. A drop-down menu will appear. These are links to the resources available to you. Select the words Book Catalog. This is OPOC, the Library Online Catalog. The book collection, over 45,000, is organized by subject. You can virtually walk through the library and discover what your library has to offer in print. These subjects are represented by a call number system called Library of Congress Classification System, LC. For more information on the LC system, go to OPOC tutorial. In addition to print books, the library has e-books. Click on the e-book link. This is the electronic books page. Two boxes labeled Access 360 and Library will direct you to two types of electronic books you may read online. Access 360 contains leisure reading materials and Library provides access to scholarly text for research. When you are located off campus, the databases require user ID and passwords to gain access. The user IDs and passwords are provided to all students in the Whitecaps portal. Log into your Whitecaps portal. The link is provided in the Online Resources section. Begin again, using the drop-down menu and select Electronic Databases. There are two types of databases, the general databases and subject databases. For example, the Academic Search Complete covers many subjects. The database is CINAHL, which indexes allied health and nursing indexes specific subjects. For more information on searching databases, go to EBSCO database tutorial. For more information, go to the Library drop-down menu and click on the Text Library instruction. Here you will find tutorials for each database. Let's begin at the library homepage. Scroll down and hover over the word Library shown in blue text. Next, click on the words Book Catalog from the drop-down menu. This is the Book Catalog page. Scroll down. The large text boxes shown in orange contain essential information. By clicking on each of the orange boxes, you will find information on library checkout, renewal, returns, and much more. Please familiarize yourself with all the library's policies and procedures. This is also where you will find the contact information for further questions. Next, scroll up and hover over the word Library. Click on the words Electronic Databases. This page contains many helpful online resources. Scroll down and look for the first heading on the page, Electronic Databases. Read the paragraph. Within the text you will see the here in blue text. Click the link for a short database tutorial for further clarification. A new video resource that covers all academic subjects is Films on Demand. This resource offers short video clips on authoritative sources. The magazines and journals link will direct you to a listing of subscribed print journals housed in the library, and electronic magazines using Flipster. FLISPA provides electronic leisure reading magazines available 24/7 through the library website. The David Glen Hunt Memorial Library provides many resources to students at Galveston College. The Library Resources section holds links to guides, MLA and APA citation examples, and other electronic information that will inspire and provide enrichment to students that take an interest in reading and learning. For more information on using electronic databases and other features of the new library website, the Library Instruction section provides helpful guides and videos for doing your research. The operating hours are from 7:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday through Thursday, 8 a.m. through 5 p.m. on Friday and 8 a.m. through 12 p.m. on Saturday. During fall and spring semesters, hours may change during holidays and in between semesters.